Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is September 16th. I can't believe how fast time is flying. And there's a full moon. How fun is that? Every 16th of the month, Dory at Dory's Dollies, a personal friend of mine who I love, host a challenge that everyone, I mean anyone, is welcome to do a video and join in on our challenge. Let us know you have a video when you make one in our comments so we don't miss them. But every month, well actually every month we do 3, but on the 16th of every month we do Dolls Gone Goth. You don't have to be spot on with Goth. We're not the Goth police. We're just people having fun. I brought out my Never Say Never Addams, who I have, what do you want to call it, modeled after Wednesday Addams. And I made her a new outfit, and we're going to get her dressed, but I wanted to show you her new outfit that I did. I buy these tops. I absolutely love them. I get them on AliExpress. Just put in 1/3 BJD doll, and you'll get all kinds of clothes. These Velcro in the back, I am not a Velcro hater. I actually like it. You don't have to do a lot. Just un-Velcro, put it on your doll, Velcro it back. I added the cameo, that's not really a cameo, but the piece here because I wanted something different than buttons. I like buttons, make no mistake. She's famous for them, but I didn't want them this time. So I fought this fabric. Oh my God, Darren, I fought this fabric, didn't I? And came up with this outfit. This is her jacket, and then this will be her skirt, and the theme this month is Back to Ghoul. So Wednesday Addams goes to a school called, what is it, Nevermore? And I thought this would be a cute school uniform for her witchcraft class. When I was in high school back in the 70s, I think it was, gosh, was it 1973 at Kirkwood High School? I took a course on witchcraft. Actually, I think I took 2. No, I am not a witch. I just, you go through high school, you go through things. I found these on AliExpress. I love these. I've bought several pairs. So this is how we're going to dress her. Her braids need to be redone, and we will be showing you that in a moment. So here is Never, headed to Nevermore High. And I did want to point out, I put a slit in her jacket in the back so that the stand could go through the hole. Overall, I like this outfit. Overall, I hate this fabric. It is stretch knit 2 directions with a large weave. And what that means is you need about, for her seam down the sleeve, I used, and I'm not exaggerating, I used like, I think it was 12 pins, and because it's a loose weave, they were falling out as I was going, so it took forever. But, and her hair, I tried several times, but there it is. This is what we've got. She's ready for Back to Ghoul. I love, love, love these cups that Darren prints. I thought that blood red would be fun. Dory, month after month, this is a fun thing to do. I do want to make you aware that Dory and I not only do the Dolls Gone Goth on the 16th of each month, on the 18th of each month, we have a Barbie challenge. This month, September, is coats or jackets. Show any Barbie at all in a coat or a jacket that you bought or made or found. We also do a Maya Rain on the 3rd of each month. A Maya Rain Day just means any Rainbow High or Shadow High doll, and we have themes. October, which will be the next one, October 3rd, is orange. However you want to interpret that. Orange outfit, orange setting, orange hair, anything. Thank you for watching. We really appreciate you joining in on these challenges. It makes the doll community more of a closer knit community. We get to know each other. We're doing the same kinds of things. It's just fun. Please leave a like, comment, and if you have a Dolls Gone Goth Back to Ghoul video today, let me know that in my comments. Please make sure you're still subscribed, and if you've never subscribed before, I'd love it if you did.